Hi fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is TechJoe, and in today's video I'll be explaining how to remove an image. Like this is an image, and if I want to remove this out from this background, it's very simple, just by using CorelDRAW. You can go in here, you can go here, this place, click on it. You see pen, where they wrote pen, click on it. Then you start to curve. You start curving. Start making your curve. You'll be tracing the line so you can get what you want in removing the image. So you'll be following it, tracing it, so you are done tracing. This is what a beginner should learn before starting graphics design. Then you drop it here, then highlight it, then you highlight it, click here. When you highlight it, there's something that will show. Here, these things you see. Let me zoom it. So when you highlight it, you click on this place. Like for example, you highlight it like this. This thing that is showing now is what you highlight. Then if you highlight it, it will show this. Then click on here. When you click it, this image you see here will go out. This is how it works. So if you want to bring out like you went to a browser and you don't see a particular image, or you saw an image of something and you want to cut out some of the parts of that thing, you can use this toolbar, this pen. This thing I did is what you can use in editing pictures. If you want to remove an image, you can use this. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. In my next video I will explain more on these things.